6 News Storm Team.
5:47 here on your Friday. Welcome back. You've been paying attention much to the Lions, or
What do
Tigers, rather.
I was going to say, Lions released new jerseys for this season.
I saw that. Yeah,
The black ones.
How
They're
about
nice.
the Tigers?
They're okay.
Yeah, and the Pistons are done, aren't they? Not.
They are done.
Yeah.
After winning the same amount of games as the Lions did. And the Tigers have almost won more games already. We're only a month, 2 months in the season.
Meanwhile, the Guardians are in first. The Cavaliers are in the playoffs.
I think if we combined the Guardians and the Tigers, they could probably beat the Pistons.
Tell you what, we'll go half season on taking over ownership, and we'll
there we go.
a better team.
Yeah, well, we'll start this off on our satellite and radar. What we're seeing, we got some cloud cover. We have some areas that are clear. We have some snow down to the Bismarck-Mandan area now, probably more condensed to the south of Bismarck. But we'll continue to see these chances of precipitation throughout the day. May turn into more of a rain chance later in the afternoon. We'll see how warm we can get. It's going to be very close to that freezing mark through the atmosphere. So could even see maybe like a mixed precip as well as we get through the day. Temperatures right now, you got teens, you got 20s, a little cooler out there to the northwest. Crosby, Plentywood, both at 19. You also have Beach at 19 as well, but lots of 20s, a little warmer down here to the south central. Wind speeds and directions 15 to 30 miles per hour, all from the northwest. Once again, these winds continue to be heavy throughout much of the day into the night. And we have wind gusts as well once again. 32 in Garrison is the heaviest right now. You got 31 in Dickinson, and wind gusts will actually increase as well. I wouldn't be surprised if right around midday we do get a wind advisory. It's going to be very close to hitting that threshold. We look at our winds for the next 24 hours, we can see we're staying 15 to 25 miles per hour throughout much of the morning, into the midday, into the afternoon, but through the night tonight is when winds will start to calm down. We're going to get into the teens through the night into tomorrow morning, and looks like we'll have a breezy Saturday, nowhere near as heavy winds as the previous 2 days, and then Sunday actually looks to stay calm with the winds. Wind chills right now, single digits for many. You're going to need to bundle up, make sure you wear a jacket, get the little ones in hat and gloves once again, just for this morning. After today, we might have one more morning, but we should recover after that. You got teens down to the south, almost a 20 in Mobridge, and then some teens to the north and out there to the west. Looking at our highs for today, it's not much warmer, mid to upper 30s across state. Wind chills are going to make it feel cooler for most of the day. Once again, we do get a 40 down there in northern South Dakota, get a 40 out there in Montana. Now, take a look at our precision cast. We will have a similar outlook when it comes to these isolated showers of rain or snow throughout much of the afternoon, similar to what we had yesterday, where you may not have anything, get a cell that develops, gives you some snow, but you also have the sun shining just because it's very small. But we'll keep an eye on that, see what you get for the day. We turn into Saturday, lots of sunshine. Sunday, lots of sunshine as well. Once we hit Monday, it looks like we're going to have a low pressure system start to influence the region. That's going to bring a rain chance. Just based on where that low pressure system is who could see some more rain than other areas. That will last into Tuesday morning and then move out. We'll have a dry day Tuesday and Wednesday before another rain chance to end next week. Your Williston 5-day forecast, 30s today, 50s tomorrow, 60s on Sunday, drop back to the 50s on Monday into Tuesday. Dickinson, you got 30s today, 40s tomorrow, 60s on Sunday, 50s and 60s as we enter next week. Your Minot 7-day forecast, well, that's got us in the 30s today, 50s and 60s for the weekend, 50s on Monday and Tuesday, 60s back for Wednesday and Thursday. Bismarck, very similar, 30s for today, 40s, 50s, 60s for your weekend, 50s for Monday and Tuesday before recovering back to the 60s midweek.
We're hopeful that after, let's see, what is it, next Wednesday, we only go up from there, as they say.
Yeah, well, let's hope. It does look like it should stay into the 60s. I know those sort of summer outlooks came out, and it does show equal chances of being warmer or below average. That means anything. Again, we could have a really warm summer. It's sort of a guidance of what could happen.
All right, we'll take one day at a time.
Yes.
Stone, thanks very much. Coming up here on Good Day Dakota, a fire in the sky matched a